Hi guys, so I've got a really exciting video to bring to you today. I want to give away from my friend Frances over at Happiness Sparkles, and I did speak to her. I did ask her if I could put this video up first. I've got no makeup on because I'm just too excited. I know one of the things that I've won because that was the giveaway gift, but she said that she's put a couple of extra things in there as well, so I'm excited to see. I don't want to show my name. So, okay, let's just get into it. How am I going to open this? I think I should have brought some scissors out. That's one bit of tape off. Yeah, so it's just come now, just this, well, about 10 minutes ago. Okay. Not, I was going to say I'm not going to look into it, but the giveaway is here, the giveaway gift. So I guess we're pulling that out first then. Oh, it looks like there's stuff in there. Ah, she's put a little card in there. Let me open it. I don't think I'm going to read it. Oh, hey love. Hey Frances. So yeah, I asked her permission before I obviously filmed this, because some people might not like the fact that I'm going to film it and put it on the channel, but I just thought, like, when I get friend mail or anything like that, I just thought it would be a nice thing to do. Right, I can read it. It's nothing too personal. Hi Andie, hope you love the hat. So the giveaway was the hat. She let me choose the colour that I wanted. She actually has her own hat company. I'll have to put that here somewhere so you can go and check it out. You love the hat. It will keep you cosy for the winter. I mean, no doubt it will. I just hope it fits my big head because I've got quite a big head. Might try that on in a second. Hopefully the products work for you also. Love and hugs, Frances. Okay, so I think she's put them all in the hat there. And it says, thank you for supporting my small business here. And the company is Nora Knits. And then they've got their own Instagram at Knits Nora. It says, Nora Knits, small local business. When you support a small business, you're supporting a dream. So that's that there. Right, so I'm going to have to go inside here, aren't I, really, to get the things out. But I'm not going to look at that. Oh. I love that colour for me. Okay, so she told me she was sending me this. And I need one. I need another new mascara. So it's the Prime Lash Lengthening and Volume Mascara. I might use this in tonight's live, you know. Or tomorrow's, because I think I'm going to put this video up today. She said it's a very expensive one, but I think she gets PR from the company, so she sent me one. I'm going to just open it up. You can tell it's expensive when it comes with cellophane. And then there's a load of writing on the box, so I'll read it out to you. Frances really loves it, so I'm hoping I will too. That's ingredients. Prime Lash Mascara. As we mature, our eyelashes get thinner and shorter. This is why we at Prime Prometics created Prime Lash Mascara. Its dual formula lets you enjoy wearing a mascara while you nourish and rejuvenate your lashes, making them longer, thicker and stronger over time. I'm all about that. I love the false lash effect. Especially made for mature women with sparse and thin lashes to give them length and volume. Use every time you want to look stunning and feel confident. What I like about this is it gives you the expiry date. I've never had a mascara that gives me an expiry date. Let me see if I can open it up. Like I said, I need one. So, oh, it's in brown too. You're sneaky, Frances. That's why you asked me if I wore brown. Ooh, bougie. Well, I'm going to be using it soon, so I'm going to open it up. And we can have a look at the wand. Oh, that's the kind of wand I like too. It coats every lash. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be using that in the next, maybe not in the next live, but definitely after I put this video up. Maybe not in tonight's live, maybe tomorrow's live when this video has gone up. I'm just trying to go in and not look. Right, so Pure Canvas Primer samples, hydrating, illuminating, blurring, Laura Mercier. Ooh, I'll be trying these as well. I'm interested in trying this blurring one because I'm all about blurring, and obviously the hydrating and the illuminating I think I like. I think that'll be just enough for one sample. The thing is with this, Laura Mercier is expensive, so if I like them, I want to go out and buy them. And of course I'm on a no buy. And is that the last thing? Yeah, I think this is the last thing. So that comes in another bag. Ooh, there's a few goodies in here. Miss Dior Bloomimg Bouquet. My mum's got a Miss Dior, but I don't think it's this one. A bouquet of delicate peony and rose notes, honed by the freshness of Calabrian bergamot and adored with a lace work of white musks, the caresses of delicate floral. Shall we try it out? I'll try it on my wrist first of all. Oh, this one I might have to buy this one. Oh, that smells gorgeous, Francis. Oh, we've got some eye masks here. I'm very partial to an eye mask, so happy to have those. Quo Beauty. What is this? Oh, lip vinyl. Quo Beauty. Look at that colour. That is a gorgeous, like, rosy mauve. Oh. Let me take this off and then we can see what it looks like. I'm not normally this eager to try things, but I've never tried Quo Beauty before. This reminds me of a Fenty Beauty lipstick that I've seen in the past. I think it's Fenty Beauty anyway. I mean, it's not... It's not going to be the same as when I've got makeup on, but that is the shade Date Night 81. I don't know, it says vinyl, so I presume that's not a liquid lipstick. I presume it's not going to dry down. I don't know much about these, if I'm being honest. Ooh, Essence. Welcome to Marrakesh. That'd go, if it's got pinks inside it, that'd go with the lipstick, I think. And it does. I've not tried one of these palettes in a while just because Essence, I mean, we can get it here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I mean, we can get it here, but we need to go to a website called Just My Look. And normally I used to go into the shop, which was called Wilco, and they've closed it down. It didn't quite make it, so... yeah, I'm really, really keen to try that eyeshadow palette, especially since I've been on the snow buy. And that's only a small one, so it won't take up much room. I've been like saying, oh, I'm just so fed up of eyeshadow palettes, but that is only small. And then one last thing. Oh, yes, she told me about this. She told me that this was her Holy Grail concealer. And she said, what shade are you? And I said, in concealers and foundations, the lightest shade you can possibly get me. And I think she asked if I was, I don't know, I think it was ivory or something like that. And I said, no, I'm more this colour. So this colour was Shell. Yeah, the lightest, because I like the brightened under eye. Oh, let's take the plastic off it. This concealer and that mascara couldn't have come at a better time, because I was actually thinking I'm going to have to go out and get the NYX Serum Concealer. Ooh, I thought it might have like a little brush on it, but no, it's got a nice doe foot on it. So that's it there, the shade. I know it looks quite white, but I think that's going to be okay on me. It says Miracle Cover Concealer. I really hope I don't like these products. Like, when I say like them, I mean love them, because I can't get them again. I was worried because I forgot to tell Francis. So basically in the UK you have to pay customs fees on everything, even gifts. So I was worried that if the amount on the package was more than $20, I was worried that I charged the customs fee and it's 20%. It might even be 30% now. So I was worried because money isn't, you know, money's not great at the moment with me financially. So I was just like, oh my gosh, I really hope that they don't charge me customs. Anyway, when the post lady knocked on the door and went, "You've got a parcel," I knew it was from Francis. I'm like, I ran to that door because I knew that it was going to be the post lady around this time. Anyway, shall we see if this hat actually fits me? Oh, they're pretty stretchy. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. I look better with makeup on. Oh, that's so nice, Francis. And no one has one of these in northwest of England where I live. I want to wear it in the summer, never mind in the winter. So that's what it looks like. Right, let me take it off. I can't take myself seriously wearing a hat in the house. Yeah, so the hat is going to get plenty of use, trust me. Thank you so much for the extra gifts as well, Francis. I really appreciate it. The whole time I've had lipstick on my tooth. Sorry about that, guys, but I'm not re-recording. I wanted it so you get my first impressions of all the goodies. I'm really looking forward to using these makeup items here. And obviously the mascara, where's that? Oh, it's over here. So yeah, we've got 4 makeup items to be trying. We've got this lovely mascara, this lovely eyeshadow palette. I want to use that when I'm fully made up. And then of course I want to try the concealer. I might try them all in one video, you know, in the next couple of days. Yeah, I just can't believe you sent all these extra goodies. I really love all my gifts. I can't wait to use them all. I can't wait to use, like I said, all the makeup gifts Francis kindly sent to me. As I said, I'm looking forward to trying all the makeup items Francis kindly sent to me. I'll be using them all in an upcoming live. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Francis, once again for sending me those items. I really do appreciate it. Can't wait to wear the hat in the winter. If it gets kind of that weather where I could wear it now, I'll wear it now. Trust me, I'll be wearing it now. If you've not already checked Francis's channel out, I will leave it here. Her username for her channel is Happiness Sparkles, and yeah, that's all I've got to say for this one. It is just very quick, very short, very straight to the point. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.